After an epic day at the beach, driving around, having fun, and of course, getting the car absolutely covered in sand, it was time for a much needed car wash. So I headed to the nearest car wash for a good old-fashioned manual wash. As soon as I roll in, the first thing I do is to take out the floor mats and hang them up using these handy clips. No one wants a clean car with dirty mats, right? In control. Just turn the knob on the console to pick what you need. Pressure wash, foam wash, rinse, wax, all the good stuff. But here's a heads up. Once you swipe your card, the timer starts, and so does the money drain. So be quick, be smart, and don't forget to stop the clock when you're done. It's time for pressure wash. Blast away all that sand and dirt and let the car soak. This step is super satisfying. Next up, the foam brush. This part is fun. Lather up the car with thick foamy soap, making sure to scrub every inch. Pro tip: once your car is covered in foam, you can pause the timer and keep scrubbing for as long as you want. More clean, less cash spent. Once you are happy with the scrubbing, switch to rinse mode and wash off all that foam. And if you need extra power, just hit it with the pressure wash once more. No soap left behind. Now if you really want your car to shine, go for the wax coating. Just a light spray and you're all set. With the outside done, I moved over to the vacuum station, got rid of all the sand and dirt inside, and wiped everything down with a soft cloth for that spotless finish. As I wrapped up, my friend was still going at it, washing his car to his heart's content. And honestly, I get it. There's something super satisfying about doing it yourself and seeing the results. That's it for today's manual car wash session. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. And if you love road trips, cars, and adventures, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.